If you're seeing PowerPoint error code 44, don't worry. In most cases, this is a media format or file linking issue, and it can usually be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to troubleshoot it, from checking the file format to converting the media, reinserting it into your presentation, and even installing Codecs if needed. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and productivity tips. Alright, let's get into it. First, check the file format of the media you're trying to use. Open your file manager and locate the video or audio file that's causing the error. You can select the file and look at the extension, or right-click it and choose Properties to see the full format details. Common unsupported formats can include files like MOV, AVI, or other less compatible types depending on your PowerPoint version and system setup. If the format isn't ideal, that's likely the reason PowerPoint is throwing error code 44. The best fix in most situations is to convert the file into a PowerPoint-friendly format. For video, MP4 is usually the safest choice. For audio, MP3 or WAV are typically the best options. To do that, open your browser and go to a file conversion tool like Cloud Convert MP4 Converter. Upload your original media file, choose the correct output format, and then click Convert. Once the file is finished converting, download the new version to your computer. After that, go back into PowerPoint and try inserting the converted file again. In many cases, this alone solves the problem completely. Next, if the file still isn't working, try reinserting the media into your presentation. Open your PowerPoint file and go to the slide where the error appears. Delete the old media file from the slide, then click Insert, choose Video, and select this device. Now locate the newly converted file and add it back into the slide. Play it again and check whether it works properly. This step is important because sometimes PowerPoint keeps a broken reference to the original file, and replacing it with a fresh insert clears the error. Another useful fix is to keep your media file in the same folder as your PowerPoint presentation. Find your PowerPoint file, then copy the video or audio file and paste it into the same folder. After that, insert the file again from that location. This helps avoid file link problems, especially if you move files around later or open the presentation on another computer. Keeping everything together makes PowerPoint much more reliable when it comes to loading media. If none of those steps work, the issue may be caused by missing or outdated codecs on your computer. In that case, open your browser and search for K-Lite Codec Pack Standard. Download it from a trusted source, install it using the default settings, and then restart your PC. Once your computer turns back on, open PowerPoint again and test the media file. Codecs help your system understand different audio and video formats, so installing the right package can fix playback and insertion problems that PowerPoint can't handle on its own. So, to quickly recap, start by checking the file format. Then convert the media to MP4, MP3, or WAV. Reinsert it into the presentation. Keep the file in the same folder as your PowerPoint, and finally install Codecs if needed. One of those steps usually fixes PowerPoint error code 44. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials. And if you want, I can also help you with other PowerPoint errors, media playback issues, or file compatibility problems in your next video.